Oh, okay. Someone just sent me a quick message to how do you get the, we'll go out a bit, the filter out. There was a screw here, which I've taken off. And then what you got to do is get up here and push down really, really hard. It's really hard, trust me. I've got to just... It is very hard. I don't know why, but they are. Hang on 2 secs. Okay, and you just push down from there and off it comes. And there's your filter. But it is hard. These clips are very hard. Then you just sit it back, of course. You just sit it back and then just use my knee. Push it back in. Oh, I can't. I'm trying to do it with my phone. And there, it's back in. But that's it. Just make sure you undo this screw. I've taken mine completely out because I don't need it. And then just grab from the top. Oh, but they are very, very hard. I don't know why, but it is. You hear it click. And then it's done. You think you're going to break it, but you're not. It's the only way you can do it. See this? There's a little clip there. That's the one that's holding it, which is there. I think if you could push in there, maybe. Let's try that. Let's try that. I'll put it back on. There. Push there. Hang on. No, it doesn't help at all. You just gotta push down really hard. Sorry about that. I'll keep on putting you down, but you just gotta push down really hard from there, and then it just comes off. Okay. But see, I'll put some stuff here to stop the noise. So it's a little bit harder, and then you can get your filter out, which is just sitting here. And there's your filter. Vacuum it, wash it, whatever you wish to do. And then put it back, of course. I don't know if this is any good helping you or not, but anyway. But it's this here gets stuck on that. But as I said, I'll put some rubber on mine just to stop it vibrating. And then you just push it back up. And there you go. It's a lot easier to put back on, but getting it off is quite hard. So I hope that helps.